Lightning doesn't ask permission. It just strikes, just like your love, straight into me. I felt the spark the moment you looked my way. A fire in your eyes that words could never say. Every heartbeat changed when your shadow touched mine. You turned my darkest hours into something divine. Your voice is a wave I can't outrun, a quiet force brighter than the sun. Every wall I built began to fall when you showed me love could conquer all. I swear in the quiet of your arms I found a shelter from the storms. You gave my broken spirit form, and now my soul feels warm. We are hearts made of lightning, born from the storm, fiercely ignited. Through every shadow, every night we're fighting. Your love keep riding, rising, shining. We're fire in the sky, unbroken. Words of truth always spoken. Every fear inside me finally open. Hearts made of lightning, forever glowing. Oh, light me again, again. You taught me how to stand when I was weak, how to breathe again when I couldn't speak. Your love is a lantern in the night, a compass pulling me toward the light. No battle scares me with you near. Your heartbeat turns my doubt to clear. And even when our days grow old, our sparks will burn in stories told. Strike me with your truth again. Let our fire never end. Every moment, hand in hand, you rewrite everything I am. Light breaking through the cracks, healing what the past attacks. Two out souls with no way back, lightning on a burning track. We are hearts made of light.